Hey Vanner family, it's time for another video. As you may or may not know, a friend of mine passed away and I did take a walk in nature today. This video was a little bit discombobulated because I wasn't really in the game or had my head in the game. So listen to the music, enjoy what I saw, and I will see you on tomorrow's VEDA video. This video has been sponsored by Nomad Internet. The link is down below in the description box and use coupon code CrystalVanner25. The meetup has been canceled. I'm not in the right frame of mind to host a meetup. The weather is going to be inclement and many people have canceled anyway. So I will be having the meetup in a couple of weeks, September 11th, 12th, and 13th. Please resubmit your RSVPs if you want one of the 30 spots. I'm only doing 30 spots. That's it. That's the max. I will do another video tomorrow giving you more details about the September 11th, 12th, and 13th meetup. Enjoy the music. Enjoy what I saw today on my walk in nature. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.
This video was sponsored by Nomad Internet. Get a discount by using CrystalVanner 25, and a special thank you to all my channel partners.